I get it now. Okay. Oh my gosh. How does he come up with this? It's honestly genius. In this video, I'm going to be going over funny Photoshop fails. So without further ado, let's get started. All right. So I was browsing through Twitter and I came across this name, James Friedman. So James, what he does is people send in their photos. They say, hey, can you do this and this with the photo? He says, sure. And it's usually not what you expect. So without further ado, let's get seeing as to what James does with these photos. All right. So we're on the first one right here. Hello, James. I love this pic. I'm curious to see what it would look like with maybe a waterfall in the background and maybe a little bit more green to it. He added the waterfall, which is great. And he did add green to it. You know, you got to be more detailed with your requests if you're wanting green. All right, let's see what else he's got here. Hi, James. I love your work. I love this picture, but my stupid self couldn't hold the one the right way. Could you fix it? Okay, so he just kind of switched it and then he chopped off all her hair and gave her glasses and made her. Oh my, I get it now. Okay. I was having a moment there. He changed the age to 71 and okay. Genius.
Eddie, you smart. You very smart. Matter of fact, you a genius.
All right, I like that. All right, here we go. Hi, Jamie. So professional picture that you make. I'm French and I want to know if you can put a thunderstorm behind us. Thank you. Honestly, that is what would happen if there was a thunderstorm. That is good. Okay. Can you make me look more daddy? Okay, that's don't touch thermostat. Nice. Okay. Next, what we got here. Hi, I have muscular dystrophy. I'm totally saying that wrong. I'm sorry, you guys. And can't straighten my arms. Can you make me look normal in my homecoming picture? Thanks. Aw. I was wondering what he's gonna do for this one because I was like, that's actually kind of, you know, it's kind of sad. He just kept it as is. That is actually so nice. Okay. That was awesome. Hey, first off, your photoshops are top notch. Took this photo of the family at Christmas, but the phone was too low. Could you make it look like a different angle? Thank you. Oh my goodness. Honestly, like, how are you supposed to even do that in Photoshop? Like, change the angle of a photo if you literally, I don't even know how you do that other than doing what he did. So, props to him. All right. Hi, James. Can you make it so my boyfriend's feet don't look so long in this photo? All right. Trying to see. He made her feet longer. Oh my gosh. Genius. Okay, yeah, you know what? They're never going to know that his feet are so long. Honestly, his feet look fine though. I don't know what she's talking about. Hi, can you remove the pole in front of me? Oh, oh my gosh. How does he come up with this? This is ridiculous. Oh, this is a video. Let's see. Hi, James. Could you make it please so that I'm not bald? I'm going bald since I'm 14. I really miss my hair. Honestly, I would probably do the same if someone asked for that. I would just crop it because, I mean, that's the easiest way to go about it. Nice. All right. Hi, James. Could you please make the cows a little closer? Thanks. Okay, if you're vegetarian, I am sorry. That's a little cruel. Wow. Hi, James. Love your work. Could you please remove the fly from my husband's face and make me see the camera? Thank you. Oh boy, this is a kind of relevant thing I'm seeing. Honestly, genius. Bravo, bravo. That was genius. Next one. It seems that I have a boy in my head. Can you remove it? Oh, geez. That's terrible. Okay, well, got rid of it. Okay. Hi, James. The only decent photo I got with my girlfriend is the one we are with Darth Vader. Could you fix it? I actually think that's awesome. That'd be really cool if that was actually real. That's genius. Hi, James. My mom is a bit religious and I really like to shower her this picture from my trip to Hamburg, Germany. Can you please cover the naked statue? Oh my goodness. The way he warped that is okay. We got blur out that, like, it's not a G-rated picture. I'm sorry, you guys, but that is genius. Hey, James, can you please make my eyebrows match? All right, let's see what he did. It's a video. I don't know what he did with that one. I guess he's just lifting them. All right. Hi, I found a great shot of me, but there are other people around me. I am that guy on the right. Could you disappear others? I tried to do it myself, but my Photoshop picture wasn't that smooth. So I would like to get a picture when I'm alone. Could you do it? There you go. Oh, shh. Oh, it took me a while to figure out where he was. That's genius. Oh my gosh. Hey James, I love your work. I was wondering if you could change the background from what it currently is to my boyfriend and I standing in a garden together. Please and thank you. Okay, that's, that's something. He's got the feet in there, so he paid attention to detail, which is great. All right, next one. Hello from Turkey, James. Here's a photo of me which my friend photobombed. Can you make him disappear? It's a potential profile pic, and he's running it. Oh my goodness. Made him a rock. Now that is impressive. He probably had to use a clone stamp tool and then do like a screen over. The teeth is creepy though. Like those teeth, like my goodness. That is so creepy. Those teeth right there. Oof. Let's see what else you got. Hi James, you do good work. This was such a beautiful morning, but I'm so far away from the camera. Oh my gosh. What the heck? That's creepy. James, you could probably sharpen the image a little bit. I'm just suggesting as a Photoshop edit, even though I know you're a genius. All right. Hey, Jamie. I guess his name's Jamie now. Can you make it so I'm in Cali or Hawaii? This is a cover photo for my single I'm dropping. Thanks. Crisis the Kid ain't a breakup song. What the heck? Jeez. That's interesting. Can you make me as tall as he is? Oh my goodness. The level of detail with this one is unreal. Look at that. That's good. That probably would take some time, honestly. I'm impressed with that one a lot, actually. Hi, James. Will you make me look like a bald boy? The police are on their way. No sunglasses, no fanny packs, no tattoos, no mustache. Oh, look like a bad boy. I thought you said bald boy. Oh my gosh. Okay. Hey, James. Can you add me a bag on my right hand? Oh God. Oh, his name is Jamie, but I think he changed his name to James later on. That's funny. Maybe his nickname is Jamie. Hey James, I have had very bad acne for as long as I can remember, and sometimes I wonder what a clear face would look like. I love this picture and I would like to look at it and remember the good time I had hiking. Not my acne. Any chance you could get rid of it for me? Have time? Best regards. Aww. Okay. Do not try to change the past. Improve your... This is nice. So, James has a kind heart, you guys. He is not trying to change things that are just natural flaws or that you think are flaws. Everyone's beautiful in their own way. And I really like that he just kept the picture as is. That's awesome. Hi, James. Hope you're doing well. I just fired a pistol for the first time and I was hoping you could make me look like some sort of agent. Thank you. Oh my goodness. Not sure who would want to live there, but that's awesome. All right, so let's do a couple more. So can you Photoshop another deer instead of the sheep? Yeah, that's one way to do it. And he's got, oh wow, really detailed there. Can you remove the guy in the background? Savage. But his arms are still there. That's creepy. And he made them into bones. Oh my God, like turkey legs or something from fairs. Hey James, could you make like tiger attack me? Thank you. Oh, that one's good. That might be that's interesting. We'll just say that. Hi James, I don't have mine nails done. Could you fix it? Fixed it. Oh my goodness. What the heck? Okay. Hi James, my boyfriend is a fan of Muhammad Ali. Could you make him a boxer? Thank you. Ooh, Calvin Klein boxers. That's smart. That's smart. I mean, he was wearing Calvin Klein, so. All right. Hey James, could you make it look like my sister isn't holding her middle finger up? Thank you. Oh, sometimes you have to look hard for these. Look at this. He made you guys can see it. That's ridiculous. Oh my God. This guy, I gotta be best friends with this guy. I gotta follow him. Let's see what else he's got here. Hi James, could you please remove the guy watering the plants in the background? Thank you. Oh my goodness. That's what's gonna happen, yeah. Hi James, your edits are so amazing. Is there any chance of removing the pizza from the background so the picture looks a bit more classy? Thank you. Oh, okay. That was pretty clever. Very nice, very nice. Let's do one more. Hey there, how about you doctor up a pic to cheers us doctor and nurses up? What do you say? Oh, that's awesome. That's a good one to end on. Bravo. All right, so if you guys found this video entertaining, Let me know in the comments down below. Also, give this guy a follow. This guy is a genius at Photoshop. And like, I know sometimes he's just joking, but sometimes, you know, he's super sweet about it too. And like, the dude's a genius. I just followed him as well. Give him a follow. Also, if you guys did enjoy this kind of different style of video, let me know in the comments down below. Also, if you guys did like this video, make sure you give a thumbs up. And if you could subscribe, I would greatly appreciate the support. If you are interested in learning all things about PowerPoint, I do have a course on Udemy, so I have a link to that in the description below. But without further ado, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I hope to see you guys in future videos.